Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix widescreen while joining Roblox. So let's begin. So first we have to go to the search bar and search for the Roblox player. When we are here, we right click on Roblox player and we go to open the file. Where is the file located? So we right click here on the Roblox player again and we go to properties. Here in properties we have to go to the compatibility window, and here on this compatibility window we have to make sure that this tick is allowed, and we have to select here on Windows 8. In my case it's already selected, but you have to put on Windows 8. Then we make sure that these two windows have tick mark on, so we have to make sure that. Then we just have to put apply and OK, and that should be done. That is the first step. Now the second step is to make sure that all drivers are updated. So for that we go to the search bar and we go to device manager, and here on the device manager, when we open in this window, we have to search for the display and graphics. We have to go right here, right click and update drivers. Now we click this option and we have to make sure that all drivers are updated. In my case are already updated, but you can also check right here when in this window of Windows Update. As you can see, the drivers have to be updated. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.